So in this last one, you're going to flip a coin upward at zero point 0.5 meters per second. So there's your VI, zero point 0.5 meters per second. It's upward, so it's positive, into a 4.5 meter deep well. So that's a downward displacement. So I'm throwing in the subscript again, but you do not have to at this point. It's down, so I'm going to make it negative. How long? That's T again, until your wishes are granted. Since it's a free fall problem, you know the acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared again. Check units, meters, 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 seconds, seconds. We don't have to convert anything. We ask ourselves the same thing we've been doing on all these. What are we missing? It's VF this time, so we just need to use an equation that doesn't have VF in it. There are other ways to do this problem, but I find this way to be, I would say, the quickest. You only have to do one equation. You don't have to do, I think for this one, it might be 3 plus, but it's definitely more than 2. D equals VIT plus 1 half GT squared. Or I should say it's definitely more than 1. So D, how far did it fall? It fell 4.5 meters. We threw it upward at 0.5 meters per second, which isn't a lot. So even if you made that 0, your answer would still probably be close. No, I didn't tell you that, but don't do that. But that it would give you a relatively close answer. Plus 1 half negative 9.8. Sorry, this is getting sloppy. T squared. I can't fit that. Again, you have 2 t's that you can't cancel out. So you got a t here and a t squared here. It's quadratic, so we rewrite this. Negative 4.9 t squared plus 0.5 t equals, nope, sorry, I'm going to add the 4.5 plus 4.5 t, dang it guys, just 4.5 equals, that's a 0. And then we are going to plug that into our graphing calculator. Again, with the y equals, we're going to plug in this equation up here. Again, make sure your signs are right. You'll do second calc, 0 it. You're going to get, again, some parabola where it crosses the x, so that's where you do the 0, and you want to find where it crosses right, that's hard to tell in that picture, but right where it crosses the x-axis, where the vertical is 0. And that will tell us what t is, which in this case, it's around 1 second.